Today we're diving into the world of aquariums with the Tetra Complete LED Aquarium, a 29-gallon masterpiece that combines style and functionality in a sleek, modern design. This rectangular glass aquarium kit comes with a low-profile hinged hood that houses energy-efficient white LEDs, creating a stunning natural underwater shimmer effect that will transform any room. Setting up is a breeze with this complete kit, as it includes everything you need to get started, from the Tetra Whisper PF 30 power filter with a large bio bag filter cartridge to a 200-watt heater and thermometer. You'll also find a fish net, a Tetra AquaSafe water conditioner sample, a Tetramin food sample, and a comprehensive setup guide to ensure your aquatic adventure begins smoothly. Measuring 30 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 18 inches high, this 29-gallon tank is perfect for creating a vibrant aquatic ecosystem. Whether you're a seasoned aquarist or a beginner, this aquarium offers the perfect blend of beauty and practicality. So, get ready to bring the tranquility of the underwater world into your home with the Tetra Complete LED Aquarium. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.